Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Suresh Achilia. Our today's topic is pharmacovigilance risk for social media. For today's topic, the social media is becoming increasingly popular as a platform for sharing personal health related information. This information can be utilized for the public health monitoring and tasks, particularly from the pharmacovigilance via the use of the natural languages and processing, that is NLP. The techniques, however, the luggage in social media is highly informal and user exposed to media concepts are often non-technical, descriptive and challenges to extract. There has been limited progress in addressing this challenge, and thus for the advanced machine learning based learning based NLP techniques have been underutilized. Our objectives is to design a machine learning based approach to extract mention of adverse drug reaction, that is ADRS, from highly information text in social media. We introduce ARDMine, a machine learning based concept extraction systems that uses conditions random fields. CRFS ADR mines utilize a variety of the features, including a novel features for the modeling words symptomatic similarities. These similarities are modeled by clustering words based on the unsupervised predictive words representations vectors general and generated from the unbalanced use post for social media. The using of deep learning techniques, ADR mine out from several strong baseline systems in ADR. The extraction tasks by achieving an F measure of the 0.82. The features analyzed demonstrate that the proposed world cluster features and significant improve the extractions and performance. It is possible to extract complex medical concepts with relatively highly performance for the informal user generated content. Our approach is particularly scalable, suitable for social media, minimizing as it relies on large volume of the unlabeled data, thus demonstrating the need for the large annotated training data sets. The another 2015 published by Oxford University, read the behalf of the American Medical Information Associations, that is the automatic monitoring the adverse drug reactions, define the adverse patient outcome caused by the medications is a challenge research problem that is currently receiving significant attention from the medical informatics community in the recent year. Use posted data on social media primarily due to the sheer volume has become a useful resource of ADR monitoring research. Using social media data has progressed using the various data source techniques, making it different and difficult to compare distinct systems and their performance. In this paper, we perform the medical review to characteristics the different approach to ADR detection attraction for social media. That is the background. The harmful reactions that are caused by the intake of medications as known as adverse drug reaction, and the reactivities relatingly to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of their effective attribute to prescription drugs are represented as the pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance begins during the clinical and clinical during trials to communication after the drug is realized into not possible to full assesses and consequences of the use, particularly drug before it realized and release. Adverse reaction caused by the drug following their release into the market in a major public health problem with death and hospitalization numbering in millions. Up to the 5% hospital administration, 28% emergency visit. Thus, associated the cost of the above surveillance $5 billion annual. Thus, post-marketing survival. This is the social media presences and regulatory authorities in industry. For the prospective and regulatory authorities, the intention of the meaning social media is to obtain additional data from the general public. Data may be used to supplement extractions and voluntary information system. For example, the associations of the British pharmaceutical industry. The additions and regulatory authorities signals identified throughout the social media clouds be used in pharmaceutical manufacturers, the healthcare system or healthcare researchers to fulfill requirement and mandatory reporting while the intent of the social media meaning into the provide earlier signals. Its clouds potentially be used by the interested parties to validity or reject signals that have origins in the other reporting system. Pharmaceutical manufacturers such as AstraZeneca have considered the use of social media from an industrial perspective, focusing the manufacturer responsibilities to provide accurate and quality information regarding drugs. Because regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical manufacturers play a role in public safety, both may utilize social media to fulfill admission and safety missions. Second one is method. The method of pharmacovigilance, the database and search selection. Pharmacovigilance using electronic data, relatively recent research topics and uses of social media. The data has only started receiving significant research attention in the last few years. As such as collecting data, we searched an article published in last 10 years only. We searched database Medline and the Embase as also certain citation database scopes and web of the science. We obtain relevant citizens from the Medicine line and the using of emphasis databases by using the advanced search options. When the searching, besides enforcing the construction association with the year of publication, we added survival keywords, basic construction. To summarize, we attempt to obtain publications and contents. That's prompts and the flow of the data, exceptions, results, and any others. The flowchart of database is social media, raw data, filtered data, drug ADR, and peers. The social media and raw data, the data collection. Raw data and filtered data is classification. Filtered data and drugs ADR pairs is ADR extractions, and drugs ADR pairs in statistical analyzing. There are one present in the flagged drugs, and classification are also placed as announced drugs, announced data. The discussion second one point is discussions and conclusions. Our surgery covers research efforts and automatically pharmacovigilance techniques from social media data. The review included carefully selected article published over the 4 years, starting with the pioneering work of the learning and the studies including the survival. How shows the growing attention that is utilizations of social media data receiving moreover. The earlier research tasks have been mostly exploratory. Recent approach have instructed in need instructions and structural standardization. So this is about today's topic, and thank you. Thank you.